guys, good morning. It's Vlogmas. Hold on, put myself together. No, yeah, don't mind me look. Just
Bruh.
well, not just getting up. I've been up for a little bit. Yeah, but it's Vlogmas day 3. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, day 3. Yeah, so I'm up. Trying to start the day. Excuse me, been up for like a few hours now because little guy get up, he has to nurse. I have to get hubby got the girls ready for school this morning, and I have to pump because I'm a pumping mama. That's how baby gets his milk. Yeah, what else? But I just wanted to come on here, start the vlog because yesterday's vlog started a little bit late, and I wanted to come on here and start the vlog. What's on today's agenda? I do want to decorate. It's November something. I forgot the date. Yeah, I forgot the date. But it's November something. And I want to start decorating. And I'm still missing a few things because, you know, as you guys know, we have a new member to the family. Right, Papa? Yes, that's right. It's a papa. Yeah, it's a little boy. Y'all will see him in due time. But yeah, if you guys watch Vlogmas Day 1, you guys would know we have a new member. And he's just staring at me, looking all crazy. But yeah, we are just here chilling. I just finished pumping, just doing my morning routine. Maybe one day I'll show y'all. Why do they have papers over their face? I'll show y'all morning routine with me and him. Yeah, this is it feels so new to me because I haven't vlogged in so long. So picking up a camera is just crazy. Yeah, but tight security and widespread protests. Yeah.
A few moments later.
I was editing, so I'm feeding him now. Then we're gonna get ready for the day. It's 10 o'clock. At least I got this vlog is basically done. Yeah, this vlog is basically done. This was the closing from that vlog. So I don't know why I'm whispering. It's not like he's sleeping. Well, his eyes are closed, but yeah, I need to get ready for the day. Yo, 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 yo.
Hey, say bye, Layla.
Yeah, so this is just getting baby Bear his milk. So he drinks from a bottle, not the boob. Yeah, that's just my kids for you. I don't know, the lighting's supposed to be off in here. My office is a mess. I haven't showed you guys my office. Maybe I'll do that in one of the vlogs. But it's not how it used. I think maybe a few Christmases ago I showed you guys that I redid it. It was like my office / glam room. It's not like that anymore. Yeah, but he's nursing or feeding. I was trying to distract him with this. My stress balls, stress beads. But okay. For the most part, he holds his bottle, but he's being lazy right now, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Hey y'all, don't mind me looking crazy. I was supposed to curl my hair, but I didn't. Oh snap. yeah, so it's hours later and the girls are home. The girls are home. They're making something to eat. I actually finished editing. I just need to yeah, it was rough getting little guy down. Well, no, after heck. Yeah, this is my hair. Oh yeah, kids are home. I think they're in the kitchen making a snack. Baby's down. It's like something's on my face. First I thought it was my hair. Baby's down for his second nap for the day. He's gonna get up soon. I actually took a nap too because I am really tired. I haven't been sleeping. You guys want to see the girls? Let's go see what the girlies are doing. Hey. What are y'all doing? What are you doing? Want to say hi? Hey.
Hello. Mommy, I'm trying to make a handle out of this, but it's not working.
Why you have points?
No, like to cut them.
I see you pointing the knife up.
Yeah, she's cutting the cheese stick to make haircuts.
She's cutting the cheese?
Yeah.
She's cutting the cheese. Are you using the air fryer?
Yeah. I always look like that.
Yeah, but like I said, the cat's over there driving me nuts. The girls are home. Today, oh, tell her. She finished the book.
From yesterday.
The book she got from yesterday's vlog, she finished it.
And I need to get another one.
She wants to get another one.
It's
She's
so
obsessed.
Because they're about to get cut by scissors. And Cole's in there. And I want to see if they actually find all of the teacher's missing body parts. And if it's actually her body parts. But like the book's exactly like the anime, but like the anime only has 12 episodes.
Should I be worried?
No.
Y'all see my face, right? Remember you have soccer today. It's on the board. Yeah, so I'm about to wash. Can you turn the light on for me, please? It's bright outside. I have to pump soon. And I have to wash bottles right now. Like I said, can you turn the kettle on for me? Yeah. Oh, I thought I heard her. Today is basically hold on, let me put this up properly. Today is basically me edit, and I wanted to decorate today too. Because as you can see, I still have the fall stuff up. I wanted to decorate today. So I'm washing bottles, and I need to prep bottles. I need to pump. Oh, this hurts. I need to change my shirt if I want to pump, because this shirt is, I'm going to use my portable pump. I don't know if you can hear me. Yeah, hold on. What happened?
I would not advise this book for those 10-year-olds, 8-year-olds. No.
It's a book for an acquired taste. That's what I would say. Those books are acquired tastes.
I saw something in the book and it's ding. But you can't like if you're very young and you write manga, this one is not for you. Go watch Sailor Moon.
I just know who you are as a person, so that's why you're allowed to read those books.
You did not read all the way to the end, though. Don't.
Alright.
The last
So,
page is cursed.
do you guys, you making your snack already?
Yes.
I wanted to organize my spices today, but I think I'm missing a lot of spice. Well, I'm not missing a lot, but I'm missing some stuff that I already used. And I was like, I'll wait until I go to the grocery store to do that. Or I was going to order some online and do it for pickup. I don't know if you can hear me. Because I have the pipe running. It's not that cold outside, is it?
No.
Yeah, see, she finished the book already. Don't mind my hair.
But it's
I had it like in a big plait.
It's because there's not there was.
Oh yeah, you guys haven't seen Ja all day. He's here, but he's in his office.
Working.
He's working. Hold on, let me see if he wants to say hi. Hey.
Generalizing to self-respect and
Busy?
the way that we
Wanna say
perceive
hi?
ourselves and how we live our lives. Some small thing that I really like about this is that Mary herself, there's
What's up,
a
guys?
bit in the book that talks about
How you
her
doing?
Personal history.
It looked like your
I found
exposure
it very
is a
reassuring,
little
and this
bit
might be
too
super
high.
random, but
No,
the
it's
fact
the
that
camera.
when it came to her personal life,
not
of
the
course she was a
exposure, 'cause I
very
looked at that.
forward-thinking,
Could you stop there for a second?
independent, incredible woman. When it came to her personal life, she actually faced a lot of
Like wondering
issues
what
in her
I'm
personal
listening
life.
to.
Yeah, well, we wondering what you're missing too. But say hi to the vlog. I haven't shown them you all day. I was editing and then I put baby down for a nap. Then I fell asleep.
Yeah.
I'm really tired. I'm really tired. And my boobs hurt. Oh, that's too much information. I need to pump.
Yeah, you might want to edit that out.
I'm a pumping mom. That's normal. Look, it's like beep.
Okay. Okay.
No, they have to see. I'm not gonna show them your room because.
Oh, and here's a mess. I'm actually. You ever
Oh God! Please don't go on a rant right now.
I'm gonna let your audience know.
Don't go on a rant right now.
Because they probably experienced the same thing.
Oh God.
All right. So you ever end up with a lot of mail, like just throughout the years, like
Order.
like you know, old
Order.
bills, old you know,
You need to call them.
just a lot of different documents. And
He's a hoarder. Hold on, let me show you a little snippet. Real
no,
quick.
don't put it on blast.
I'm
Anyway.
not putting on blast. It's just I'm just showing you on the floor. I'm just showing you on the floor.
Anyway, so I decided to go through all my documents and try to get rid of everything that's not necessary.
He's finally organizing. He's taking a page out of my book. He's finally organizing.
A lot of them damn papers is yours, Tosh. What the hell are you talking about? I'm sorting her shit. Bruh. You know?
Stop.
Yeah, but
no, it's not. It's all his. Like I can show you. Those are personal stuff. I can't show you that. But most of the stuff is yours. I'm just kidding. It's all our stuff.
Anyway.
It's all our stuff.
You know, I cleaned out my computer file
That's
structure,
great.
and then now I'm trying to get the paperwork under wraps. You know, get it under control so that we only have the documents we really need. And
remember, Layla have soccer too later.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna finish doing that. I was washing bottles and prepping bottles.
Okay.
But yeah, he's organizing. He's finally organizing. See what I'm doing there?
Yeah, I'm trying to simplify our lives, you know, because every time we want a document,
we have to search.
Yeah, it's crazy, and you know, actuality.
Well, it depends on what it is, though. It depends on what it is.
You only have a few important things you need to keep, like your passport, your birth certificate.
No, but I've always kept those organized.
Your vehicle titles, you know, your house.
You need this? What, me? You need that? I
Anyway.
thought that was something that was.
So yeah, trying to get rid of all the clutter.
It's not a lot. It's just.
Beware. I'm 40, so I
you gotta tell them your age.
And I still got stuff from like in my 20s. like in here.
That's true. That's
Yeah.
true. That is true. I'm not gonna lie about that part.
Yeah, so you could just imagine how many bills. I'm like, I even got envelopes I ain't never opened.
I know, 'cause you just grab
like
them and
a
put it
whole
down.
like a
Aaliyah,
whole
please
stack of
don't wake the
envelopes.
baby.
So I was watching on YouTube. You know, I went down to YouTube rabbit hole. A lot of people have like, you know, the paper trays, the 2 paper tray thing set up like right in where they process their mail. They have one tray where they dump their mail on, and then when they find actionable piece of mail like that they need to file later or whatnot, they put it on the second tray. But they do that to keep themselves organized and not end up with the mess that I have. And I'm probably sure a lot of you too. You know,
I have a lot of mess.
So yeah, so don't even front.
I'm gonna let you get back to it. I'm gonna finish what I'm doing before he wakes up.
All right.
Yeah. I'm not gonna show y'all nothing. Okay. I'm not gonna show y'all nothing. I didn't show nothing. You need to clean this room, baby. It looks
ratchet.
it looks a mess. You good? All right. Did you snack on something, Mama? How was school? You want to talk to the peeps? Let me put this down.
Do I wash the floor?
Yes, didn't you just use it? Okay, guys, this is where the video ended. I ended up cooking, and this is what I made. I made shrimp pasta, which was delicious, by the way, but I didn't record it myself. So I'm sorry for that. I'm just here to end the vlog out. So see you in tomorrow's vlog.